Are you seeking for the best landing gear coverings for the DJI Avata 2? Look no further. In this video, we will look at two outstanding options for landing gear covers that will not only preserve your drone, but also improve its entire appearance.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Balepha landing gear cover. The Balepha landing gear cover stands out among DJI Avata 2 accessories due to its remarkable construction quality and aesthetically beautiful design. This landing gear cover is made of high-quality materials and is designed to fit the DJI Avata 2 perfectly, providing optimum protection without sacrificing the drone's beauty. Increase the distance from the ground, which will increase the overall height from the ground by 10 millimeters. Prevents wear and tear when the Avata 2 makes contact with the ground. PLA Plus is a durable and robust substance. The kit weighs only 14 grams and does not add any weight to the Avata 2. The matte coating not only enhances the drone's sleek design, but it also helps to reduce visual distractions during flight, allowing pilots to focus on the flying experience. On number 2, we have Pidynx landing gear cover. When it comes to improving the DJI Avata 2 with long-lasting and dependable accessories, the Pidynx landing gear covers are an excellent alternative for drone fans looking for strong protection and a touch of customization. These coverings are built tough, ready for the demands of adventurous outdoor flying sessions. Precision molded from plastic material, ensuring outstanding quality. Heightening effect. After use, it can enhance the height of the Avata 2 by 5 millimeters, resulting in improved performance. Snap-on installation is straightforward, convenient, and safe, with no easy fall-off. During installation, the little landing gears must be aligned correctly. It is extremely lightweight and has no effect on flight, weighing only 3.6 grams. Furthermore, the landing gear does not need to be disassembled when placed in the storage bag, which increases convenience. Thanks to a clever adjustable design, these covers can handle varying landing gear heights, providing a personalized and snug fit for every version of the DJI Avata 2. This level of customization not only improves fit security during flight, but it also optimizes the drone's aerodynamic profile, preserving its elegant appearance and flight efficiency. So these are some of the best landing gear covers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.